What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Mike here, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. Y'all head on over and check out the full channel, but today I got a short for you. If you guys have an S550 Mustang, if you just bought it, and that's a 2015 and up, if y'all got the tires on the rear that sort of lean in at the top, no, not talking about that. You've walked past it, you've washed it a few times, and you're like, what's going on here? Do I need an alignment? No, this is perfectly normal. And I'm gonna show you really quick why Ford designed it this way. So yeah, I just picked up a 2015 GT, and it only has 5,000 miles on the odometer, so it's in pristine shape for an 11-year-old car. So I was washing it the other day, and I happened to look down, and I was like, wait a minute. The bottom of the wheel sticks out considerably further than the top. Let's see if I can get a better angle on it right here. So yeah, the top is actually tucked up under the fender, and the bottom is out. So I found out that Ford's 2015 and up S550 and S650 have IRS, and that stands for Independent Rear Suspension, which was first introduced in the 1999 Cobras. That was designed that way from the factory so they can handle the corners a lot better. So it's really genius of them to do this. And if you actually lower the car with the lowering springs, it actually gets a little worse. It goes in at the top. And you can have an alignment correct this to an extent, but Ford really designed this so that this car can take through the twisties really well. And I was amazed that they really put some thought into that. So if you guys are wondering why yours are leaning in at the top, there's nothing wrong with it. It was designed that way. Probably asking right now, what's the difference between them? And in the simplest terms, the way I can describe it is the solid axle is more desirable for straight line drag racing, and the IRS is more desirable for the road courses. And I'm not saying that one can't do the other well if properly set up. You can always tell the difference between an independent rear suspension and a solid axle. The exhaust always goes under the IRS and over the solid axle. So that's one indicator. But you see right here, that is the IRS on the 2015 Mustang. Now laying here checking this out, that's pretty cool. I actually like it. But if you guys can't stand that and your alignment shop can't get it to where you want, then Steeda has your hookup. Steeda has developed the adjustable camber brackets, and I'm gonna show you a picture right here. These things are absolutely awesome. Now the camber adjustment kit on the right is perfectly fine for most of us, but if you're wanting the full adjustable camber arms, then right here on the left is what you'll need, but you'll also need to come more out of pocket. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. Hopefully I helped you guys out on explaining why your rear wheels lean in at the top and how to fix it if you so choose to. Mine, I actually love it, but I do want some adjustability, so I'm gonna pick up a set of those Steeda adjusters, and we'll put them on in the next video. So if y'all like this video, I appreciate it. Give me that thumbs up, follow the channel by subscribing. It means the world to me. So if you like this video, you really need to check this video out. And if that video don't do it for you, just head on over to the channel page. Check out all my videos. I mean, I'm sure you'll find something you like. I've got over 300 of them. So yeah, involving the Mustang, I've got a Raptor that's pretty cool. Check them out. Holler back. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Later now.